Hi everyone, here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So we've got two options to choose from. Let me show the quicker one at first. Let's open the dialer and type *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI info just pops out. Let's click on OK. Let's get back and let me show you the second option. It is through the settings. So let's find and open it. Click to the system. Find About Phone, and on the very first page we've got the serial number and IMEI info. So that's all. This is how you check IMEI and serial number in your LG Velvet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.